Welcome to Africa Center of Excellence on Technology Enhanced Learning's MSc in Artificial Intelligence program. ACETEL's MSc in Artificial Intelligence opens you to the vast opportunities offered by modern information communication technology. The knowledge and skills to be acquired will enable you to solve complex problems in engineering, banking, medicine, and many other critical sectors of Africa's development. You will learn to use algorithm design and analysis to solve emerging problems, use probability and statistics in providing solutions to societal problems, work with big data, develop software that incorporate intelligence, represent and reason with knowledge. You will enjoy the use of virtual and physical laboratories to enhance your learning. Welcome to the future.
You are welcome to ATI 801, Principles and Techniques of Artificial Intelligence. ATI 801 is a 3-credit unit course in your first semester. In the next 13 weeks, we will be discussing Principles and Techniques of Artificial Intelligence. This course presents you with introductory topics in artificial intelligence, such as the history, ethics, and privacy concerns raised by developments in artificial intelligence. You would also learn about the limits of the algorithmic approach to problem solving and also get an overview of the techniques used in developing intelligent systems. By the end of this course, you will be able to distinguish between computational problems that demand intelligence and those that do not. Demonstrate awareness of the problems suitable for the artificial intelligence solutions, and recognize various techniques of artificial intelligence, as well as demonstrate awareness of privacy and ethical concerns in artificial intelligence. You are expected to engage the learning materials and undertake the learning activities as you study the content. Do have a wonderful learning experience.
In the next 13 weeks of the second semester, you will study Natural Language Processing, ATI 802. It is a 3-credit unit course which presents the processing of natural language as a problem in artificial intelligence. It covers the tools and techniques for the pre-processing, representation, and analysis of written texts. By the end of this course, you will be able to distinguish between natural language and formal language, use tools and techniques of natural language processing, process natural language for artificial intelligence applications. It is important that you carefully study the learning materials and actively participate in prescribed learning tasks during the course. I wish you an enjoyable study.
Hello everyone, this is ATI 803, Programming for Artificial Intelligence. This course treats Python programming for artificial intelligence. It equips you with the knowledge and skills in the use of Python programming for implementing algorithms that exhibit intelligent behavior. By the end of this course, you will be able to use Python programming to implement heuristic search, apply Python programming tools to classify, cluster, phenomena according to relevant attributes, and thereby make machines put up intelligent behavior. You should interact actively with the learning materials and execute the instructional tasks as required. Do enjoy your study session.
I'm delighted to welcome you to ATI 824, Machine Learning 2. It is a 3-credit unit course in your second semester. Together, we shall be exploring different concepts in machine learning. This course will enable you to develop solutions to real-life problems using various machine learning techniques. By the end of the course, you will be able to explain the concept of neural network, deep learning and reinforcement learning, develop solutions to real-life problems using neural network, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. Take time to go through the content and participate in prescribed learning activities as you study. I wish you a wonderful learning section.
Welcome to ATI 805, Machine Learning 1. ATI 805 is a 3-credit unit course in your first semester. In this course, you will be introduced to the concept of machine learning and its techniques. The course describes how to prepare inputs for learning, the application of appropriate learning algorithms to relevant learning situations, and the evaluation of learned concepts. By the end of this course, you will be able to explain the concept of machine learning, describe inputs and outputs in machine learning, apply machine learning application on real-life data sets, develop solutions to new machine learning problems, and evaluate machine learning solutions to problems. Explore the learning materials and ensure you participate actively in the learning activities in the course. I wish you an enjoyable study.
I welcome you all to ATI 806 Robotics. This course will examine the fundamental principles of robotics. You will learn about robotic design and autonomous agent based on the integration of mechanical devices, sensors, and intelligent agents. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify robotics as a field of artificial intelligence, distinguish between the software and hardware aspects of robotics, analyze approaches to robot development and its application, formulate relevant robotic solution application to real-life scenario. You will acquire a lot of knowledge from reading the learning materials and gain valuable skills from participating actively in the learning activities provided in the course. Do have enjoyable study.
Hello everyone. Together we are going to be looking at ATI 808, Probability and Statistics. This is a 3-credit unit course in your second semester. The course presents probabilistic modeling techniques for representing imprecise data. It offers methods for analyzing the relative frequencies of events and making inferences relevant to intelligent decision making. By the end of this course, you will be able to apply statistical measures of central tendencies and dispersion to describe elements of intelligent behavior. Apply probabilistic modeling techniques to manage noise and incomplete information in planning, problem solving, and decision making. Develop applications that use methods in probability and statistics to exhibit intelligent behavior. Interact with the learning materials and execute instructional tasks as required. Have a wonderful study session.
It is a pleasure to welcome you to ATI 821, Basic Probability, Statistics and Algebra. This course will introduce you to the basic concept of probability, statistics, and linear algebra to enhance the mathematical skills you require for quantitative problem solving. By the end of this course, you will be able to build models that can be used to make decisions under the situation of uncertainty, represent entities as symbols, and relate them mathematically, express systems of equations as matrices, solve real-life problems using numerical methods. For an effective learning process, you are expected to read the learning materials and execute learning activities as you progress in your study. I am delighted to have you as a partner in instructional process.
Hello everyone, this is ATI 822, Computational Logic. This course addresses the problem of using logic as a formalism for knowledge representation. You will learn to express statements in natural language and mathematics as statements in formal logic and analyze them according to the principles of logic. You will thus be empowered to automate reasoning in solving real-life problems. By the end of this course, you will be able to distinguish between data, information, and knowledge, cast human knowledge as rules of logic, use logic as a connector of information for deductive reasoning by machines. You are expected to interact actively with the learning materials, and diligently execute the instructional tasks as required. Good luck.
I am delighted to welcome you to ATI 823, Introduction to Algorithm, which is a 2-credit unit course. You will be exploring various principles in algorithm and data structure in the next 13 weeks. This will equip you to build complex algorithms from simple ones and implement them using appropriate data structure. You also acquire the skills to analyze the performances of these algorithms to determine their effectiveness and efficiency in various situations. By the end of this course, you will be able to synthesize the solutions to complex problems from simple algorithms, analyze the algorithm to determine their computational complexity, compare the performance of algorithms to determine the most productive under various circumstances. Take time to go through the content and participate in prescribed learning activities as you study. It is a pleasure to have you in this class.
I'm delighted to welcome you to this PhD program in Artificial Intelligence. The program prepares you for a research career in some of the most exciting and productive areas of learning. You will acquire the capacity to productively explore the frontiers of knowledge in a wide range of disciplines by working with big data, developing software that incorporates intelligence, representing and reasoning with knowledge, and conducting innovative research in artificial intelligence. You will engage with learning materials and participate in prescribed learning activities. Welcome to the future.
Hello everyone, welcome to ATI 901, Research Methodology 1. This course provides you with the background knowledge needed to carry out scientific research. You will study the philosophical dimensions of research, which lead to the development of various research methods in artificial intelligence. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify various research methods, recognize and apply appropriate research methods to relevant research problems in artificial intelligence. You are expected to interact with the learning materials and execute instructional tasks as required. Do have an enjoyable study.
It is a pleasure to welcome you to ATI 902, Data Science. This course introduces you to data science and big data. It will equip you with the capability to extract knowledge from large volumes of unstructured data by the application of data mining techniques. By the end of this course, you will be able to use data mining techniques, mine knowledge from social media activities, use data visualization tools, and determine unethical usage of private data for an effective learning process. You are expected to interact with the learning materials and execute learning activities as you progress in your study.
Welcome to ATI 903, Advanced Programming for Artificial Intelligence. This course is designed to give you the necessary level of programming skills to enable the programming demand of your thesis with confidence. You will acquire the ability to work with big data and develop software that incorporates artificial intelligence. By the end of this course, you will be able to write programs for tasks in artificial intelligence using relevant data structure, write programs for advanced manipulation of text using regular expressions, write programs to read and write to persistent storage. You will enjoy this course. Good luck.
Hello everyone, welcome to ATI 904, Research Methodology 2. This course will provide you with details of research methods relevant to various situations. You will be taught how to conceptualize and design scientific research projects using appropriate techniques at every stage of the research process, from problem formulation to report writing. By the end of this course, you will be able to design research projects, apply relevant techniques at various stages of research, interpret and disseminate research results. Enjoy your study. Hello everyone, I'm delighted to welcome you to ATI 909, Advanced Natural Language Processing. The course is delivered as a set of projects and seminar presentations targeted at 4 important natural language processing problems. It provides you an opportunity to use your programming skills for the productive manipulation of textual data. By the end of this course, you will be able to use natural language processing for language identification, word clustering, machine translation, fake news classification. Good luck.
You are welcome to ATI 911, Advanced Machine Learning. In the next 13 weeks, you will engage projects and case studies in machine learning. The course is designed to further enhance your machine learning skills and give you competence and confidence in developing machine learning applications. By the end of this course, you will be able to develop advanced machine learning applications and evaluate the performance of machine learning applications. You are expected to interact with the learning materials and execute the instructional tasks as required. Have a wonderful experience.
The emergence of the internet has facilitated the way organizations do business and share resources. However, it has also fueled the prevalence of cybercrimes and hence the need for cybersecurity. The MSc in Cybersecurity of the African Center of Excellence on Enhanced Learning will equip you with the skills for performing forensic data analysis and software vulnerabilities. By the end of this program, you will be able to analyze cybersecurity problems, identify and define the requirements appropriate for its solutions, apply algorithmic principles in modeling and designing security-based systems. You will equally be able to design, implement, and evaluate cybersecurity-based systems to meet the desired needs. I invite you to enjoy this timely and relevant program of cybersecurity. Welcome to the world of cyberspace.
Hi, welcome to CST 801 Fundamentals of Cybersecurity and Cybercrime. It is a 2-credit unit compulsory course which deals with the overview of the various branches of computing security, cybersecurity concepts, its challenges, and tools that are critical in solving problems in the computing security domain. This course will introduce you to the basic concepts of cybersecurity and cybercrime. It will also discuss the fundamental cryptographic concepts like encryption and signatures. By the end of this course, you will be able to perform security analysis on data, systems and network, protect data at rest and during transmission, and protect system and network infrastructure. I wish you the very best.
This is CST 802, Malware and Digital Forensics. It is a 3-credit unit compulsory course that covers the principles and techniques for digital forensics investigation. In this course, you will learn forensic investigation on Linux and Windows system, file systems, and network forensics. By the end of this course, you will be able to conduct forensic investigation on digital devices that conforms to accepted professional standards and are based on the investigative process. Apply the tools and methodologies in performing forensics investigation and examination. Extracts investigative leads from host and network-based indicators associated with a malicious program. You will find the course exciting. Wish you all the best.
Hello and welcome to CST 803 Advanced Cryptography. It is a 3-credit unit course that explains cryptography from a theoretical and practical perspective. Topics discussed in this course will cover how cryptography works, how security is analyzed theoretically, and how exploit works. By the end of this course, you will be able to design security applications, implement security application, protect data at rest and during transmission. Welcome. Hi, and welcome to CST 804, Ethical Hacking and Penetration Testing. It is a 3-credit unit course that focuses on penetration testing and vulnerability analysis. It also discusses methodologies, techniques, and tools to identify and analyze vulnerabilities in standalone and networked applications. Other areas of focus include an in-depth understanding of penetration, which is pen testing and ethical hacking, including requirements and reporting. In this course, you will examine the business impact of testing and conduct security testing in the lab environment that includes intelligence gathering, identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities, conducting post-exploitation exercise, and report results. You will also be required to create a comprehensive report summarizing your findings and recommendations to mitigate the risks identified. Topics will include social engineering, web application testing, managing a security test, and tools of attack. I wish you the very best in this course.
Hello there and welcome to CST 805, Computer and Network Security, a 3-credit unit compulsory course in cybersecurity. This course focuses on contemporary security, network intrusion detection systems, password cracking, port scanning, attacks and threats on computers, transmission protocol and layers. It also discusses attacks on DNS and leveraging P2P deployments, data analytics, and monitoring real-life network activities, among others. By the end of this course, you will be able to protect data at rest and during transmission, protect system and network infrastructure, carry out regulatory compliance and auditing. I wish you good luck.
Hi, welcome to CST 806, Cyber War and Cyber Deterrent, a 2-credit unit compulsory course. The focus of this course is on definition of cyber war, motivation, attackers, threats, fifth domain on warfare, differences between cyber warrior and traditional warrior. Other areas of focus include analysis of cyber attacks, cyber weapons, cyber warfare, attacks and tactics, cyber defense tactics, as well as emerging trend in cyber warfare. By the end of this course, you will be able to describe the tools and tactics used in cyber warfare, explain both offensive and defensive tactics from an insider point of view, present doctrine and hands-on techniques to understand how cyber warfare evolves with technology. I wish you good luck.
Welcome to CST 807, Secure Software Engineering. It is a 2-credit unit elective course that introduces you to security requirements, specification of security requirements, software development lifecycle, security development lifecycle, programming languages, and type-safe languages. It also introduces you to best security programming practices, writing secure distributed programs, secure software, risk analysis, defensive coding, security assessment for web and mobile applications. By the end of the course, you should be able to discuss the intricacies of securing programming, explain vulnerabilities in programming languages, and highlight various software analysis models. You are welcome.
Hi everyone, welcome to CST 808, a 2-credit unit compulsory course titled Incident Management and Disaster Recovery. This course presents you with an overview of information security and risk management. It equally guides you through the role of information security policy in developing contingency plans. In addition, you will be taken through the principles of disaster recovery, contingency plan components, and agency response procedures. The objectives of this course are to promote the management of the basic infrastructure, from risk and disaster through proper administration, and to foster the adoption of international standards for effective management of systems and network infrastructure. Once again, welcome to this interesting and very relevant course.
Hello, this is CST 809, Security Architecture and Design. It is a 2-credit unit course that discusses the fundamentals and components of security architecture. Topics to be discussed include component designs, principles of secure component designs, component identification, security design principle, and principle of secure design. Others include principle of software security, design principle for protection mechanism, trusted computing base and protection mechanism, formal security models and evaluation criteria, as well as project on modeling secure system. By the end of this course, you will be able to discuss the concept of security architecture analysis, explain value addition points in security architecture and design, as well as expatiate on the forms of security models, open and distributed system. Thank you. Hello and welcome to this 2-credit unit elective course, CST 810, Web Security. Here, you will be taken through various topics like security fundamentals, creating web pages and running web servers. I'm talking about JavaScript, the languages and the browser time, client-side attacks and defenses. Also, you will be introduced to single-page applications, web application backends, web application backend stores, advanced side channel attacks, web privacy, human factors, usable web security, scaling and securing web applications. By the end of this course, you will be able to explain the basic techniques for developing websites, discuss security-related issues in web-based systems and applications, and evaluate a web-based system with respect to security requirements. Thank you. Hi, and welcome to CST 812, Cyber Law and Ethics, a 2-credit unit compulsory course. In this course, you will learn about legal and policy challenges of evolving cybersecurity threats at national and international level, legal frameworks, cyber regulation standards, laws and technology. Furthermore, you will be taken through national and international governing authorities, security governance and policy, privacy law, security policy development cycle, property rights legislation, virtue ethics, utilitarian ethics, and deontological ethics. All these topics will help you analyze statutory, regulatory, constitutional, and organizational laws as it applies to cybersecurity. No doubt, CST 812 will expose you to the laws of other countries in relation to cyberspace and finally acquaint you with ethical issues surrounding the use of the internet. You are welcome.
We live in the cyber age where cybersecurity breaches are on the rise, hence the need for cybersecurity. The PhD in Cybersecurity of the African Center of Excellence on Technology Enhanced Learning will equip you with the skills for analyzing cybersecurity problems, identifying and defining appropriate requirements for its solutions. It will enable you to design, implement, evaluate cybersecurity-based systems to meet the desired needs. You will equally be able to apply mathematical foundations in the modeling and design of security-based systems to attain trade-offs in design choices. Welcome to the cyber world. Hi, you are welcome to this course, CST 901, Advanced Security, a 3-credit unit compulsory course. This course is an advanced study of computer security, which will cover threats and security policy models, authentication, mechanism, authorization techniques, security models, trusted computing, network architecture security, and security protocol, operating system, database security, physical security, and internet security. The main objective of this course is to explain the fundamental concept of computer security and apply it to different components of computing systems. Identify the basic cryptographic techniques, using existing software in maintaining information security. Describe how malicious attacks, threats, and protocols for security vulnerability impact a system infrastructure. Explain and compare security mechanisms for conventional operating system. Describe security requirements for database security. You're welcome to this course.
Hi, and welcome to CST 902, Digital Forensics and Incident Response. It is a compulsory 3-credit unit course which presents the evolution of digital forensics with emphasis on investigative methods and models, Windows operating system, Linux, and Mac operating system, guidelines and standards of digital forensics. It also discusses cloud computing forensics, open source intelligence techniques for digital forensics, and digital forensics for emerging technologies such as smart devices, virtual realities, and social media. All this will enable you to conduct forensic investigations on digital devices that conform to accepted professional standards and are based on the investigative process. Welcome and best of luck. A warm welcome to CST 903 Advanced Cryptography. This course covers symmetric and asymmetric cryptography, including history of cryptography and cryptanalysis algorithms for modern ciphers such as AES, DES, RSA, and RC4. It also explains key exchange and management, digital signatures, secure hashes, as well as steganography. By the end of this course, you will be able to discuss the various researches in the design and implementation of security and its applications. Examine how to protect data at rest and during transmission in systems and network. Welcome. Hi, and welcome to this wonderful 3-credit unit course, CST 904, Monitoring, Auditing, Penetration Testing. This course examines industry best practices for identifying systems vulnerabilities, threats, and prevention of attacks at organizational level. In addition, it discusses risk assessment, security assessment, network and perimeter auditing, web application auditing report, and penetration testing. While it equips you with the skills to expose vulnerabilities in systems and software, it also provides practical knowledge and skills for vulnerability assessment and monitoring in order to discover weaknesses in application and infrastructure. Finally, it provides a solid knowledge of the main issues related to security in modern networked computer systems and IT infrastructure. Thank you for joining us.
Good day, welcome to this interesting course, CSC 905 Malware Analysis. This course deals with behavioral and code analysis of malware, tools and techniques for malware analysis, dynamic and static analysis. Furthermore, it explains network monitoring, cybersecurity defenses, and developing policies for malware handling. By the end of this course, you'll be able to apply the tools and methodologies in performing static and dynamic analysis on unknown executables, perform behavioral analysis on malware, extract investigative leads, and host and network-based indicators associated with a malware program. I wish you good luck.
Welcome to CST 906, Cyber Threat Intelligence. It is a compulsory 2-credit unit course where topics like Intelligence Foundation Life Cycle, Attacks, Defense, Tools, and Cyber Threat Intelligence Landscape will be discussed. Other topics include tactical, operational, and strategic dimensions and threat intelligence maturity model, as well as techniques gathering intelligence, counterintelligence methods, and attribution. The main objectives are for you to be able to define and explain how intelligence is used as part of incident response. Describe the elements of cyber threat intelligence. Describe how it is collected, analyzed, and used by a variety of consumers. Identify and describe the basics of the intelligence circle. Welcome and best of luck.
There is no doubt that the world is witnessing a phenomenal revolution in the information technology space. This has changed the ways businesses and organizations manage their operations, products, and services. The program MSc in Management Information System aims at broadening your horizon and understanding of the impacts of information systems and competitiveness in today's global context. In this program, you will learn about business continuity and information security, enterprise data management, data warehousing and analytics, enterprise systems, business process analysis and engineering, innovation management and organizational change, information system strategy and governance, and many more. By the end of this program, you will, among others, have gained skills in IT architecture, design and implementation, developing and deploying software to meet the needs of stakeholders, integrating business strategy and technology for an organization. Also, you will have learned about managing information systems, resources for organizations, and demonstrating project management and collaboration skills. Join us in exploring the interesting information system frontiers of knowledge at ACETEL. Hello, welcome to MIS 801 IT Infrastructure. IT infrastructure is an organization's entire collection of hardware, software, networks, data centers, facilities, and related equipment used to manage information technology services. This course will cover the design of data communication networks and data center server solutions. It will explore the design of IT infrastructure solutions using external service provider cloud computing resources. Also, the course will explore how to manage and negotiate infrastructure contracts and service level agreements with vendors. By the end of this course, you will be able to design and integrate communication networks for small and medium-sized organizations, including local area networks, and the use of wide area network technologies to connect the local networks. Also specify the requirements of large-scale network solutions. The course will also explore the design and implementation architectures for organizational data processing and system solutions using both internal hardware resources and external service solutions. It will also look at how to negotiate and enforce contract service level agreements with providers of IT infrastructure. This course promises to be very exciting, so let's begin. In today's dynamic world, enterprises need to be protected from undesirable and uncontrollable consequences of business interruptions in order to compete effectively. Welcome to MIS 802, Business Continuity and Information Security. This course is going to address the issues relating to business continuity planning, auditing, and information security management. In this course, you will learn network and software security management practices, managing system risk and recovery, monitoring and protecting systems operations and IT assets. You will also learn how to implement and manage quality audit processes and assure safety throughout the system's lifecycle. By the end of this course, you will have learned how to create policies and standards for business continuity and information security, set information security roles and responsibilities throughout your organization. You will also learn how to implement an end-to-end business continuity plan for a system. Also analyze and manage your organizational risk. You will also learn how to plan and implement procedures and technologies for managing risks, security and safety for business continuity and disaster recovery. Implement and classify protection practices for data and IT assets. This course will help develop skills that ensures a business survives and stays safe.
Do you know how frustrated one can be if you cannot retrieve stored data? Data storage becomes useless if the data cannot be retrieved. Therefore, To prevent the frustration that comes with the inability to retrieve data, you need to create processes that can define, integrate, and easily retrieve data for internal applications and external communication with focus on consistent and transparent content. Therefore, working through MIS 803 Enterprise Data Management will make you competent in data and content management that will be found useful to individuals and organizations. Wish you good luck.
Hi, welcome to MIS 804, Data Warehousing and Analytics. The main goal of a data warehouse is to store data from a variety of sources for reporting and analysis. This course will address the basic concepts of data warehousing and data analytics. It will also cover contemporary architecture for designing, implementing data warehouses, and enterprise data warehouse. Other areas in this course include creating information architecture for organizations, data collection and method selection for big data analytics, and designing and implementing architectures for organizational content management systems. At the end of this course, you will be able to identify data information management technology alternatives, manage appropriate information systems from the identified alternatives based on the organizational information needs, manage organizational policies and processes related to data and information management, and analyze the needs of an organization and determine how those needs can best be addressed with different data, information, and content management solutions. MIS 804 promises to be very exciting. So let's begin.
Hi, welcome to MIS 805 on Enterprise Systems. Information technology is increasingly becoming an integral part of enterprises as a means of driving business growth. MIS 805 is a master's course designed to develop your knowledge about implementing technology-based information systems solutions and managing technological transformations within enterprises. The course will provide a systematic understanding of enterprise systems, management principles, and provide hands-on experience with designing enterprise systems architecture. You will be introduced to business functions, processes, and data requirements within an enterprise, enterprise-wide IT systems, managing enterprise using enterprise resource planning concepts, techniques, tools selections, as well as explore implementation issues through SAP-based hands-on case studies. By the end of this course, you will be able to design enterprise architecture that is aligned to the strategic needs of a business enterprise. Design and develop an enterprise resource planning system. You will also be able to deploy, manage, and maintain an enterprise architecture. The course promises to be an exciting one, so let's dive right in.
Hi, welcome to MIS 806, Business Process Analysis and Engineering. The course is designed to develop your understanding of how work can be designed to better support organizational goals and reduce costs using application of modeling tools, techniques, and methodologies. You will be introduced to the concept of business process and its management, acquaint you with different business process management techniques, business process improvement processes. By the end of the course, you should be able to undertake a business process analysis and engineering and apply different business process models and techniques for effectiveness and efficiency in organizational processes. Enjoy your study sessions. Hi, welcome to MIS 807, Innovation Management and Organizational Change. We live in a fast-paced world aided by new and emerging technologies, and the business world is not exempted. MIS 807 is a MIS Master's course that acquaints you with how organizations can recognize, innovate, and cope with changes arising from the use of current and new information technologies to address business opportunities. You will be introduced to issues such as monitoring the technology environment, managing innovation with emerging technologies, innovating for sustainability, applying design thinking in innovating solutions for technology-related issues, and understanding organizational development and change management methods. You will also learn to develop innovative domain activity models that rely on the use of existing technology or new technologies. Develop plans to exploit emerging methods and new technologies to enhance effectiveness and efficiency in organizations. Explore the role of innovation in responding to the challenges and sustaining organizational values. And link knowledge of management to technology and innovation within organizations with broader issues of government regulations, competitiveness, and economics. The course promises to be exciting and interesting, so let's begin.
Each day, we are confronted with moral problems that have social, political, and legal dimensions. The understanding of the dimensions help us to easily overcome these problems. Therefore, the course MIS 808, Ethics and Society, will guide you on how to design, manage, and align IT operations for organizational sustainability in the face of ethical challenges. By the end of this course, you'll be able to apply sustainable approaches for IT solutions development, IT procurement, IT operations, IT resources management, and other IT practices. Analyze to ensure safety and avoid health hazards for contract arrangements with external parties and internal systems development, maintenance, and reuse. You will also be able to evaluate privacy and integrity guide of IT practices. You will be able to interpret legislative and regulatory requirements governing IT practices as well as industry standards for IT practices. You are welcome to MIS 808.
Hi, welcome to MIS 809, Information Systems Strategy Planning and Governance. In today's economy, organizations are increasingly becoming interested in how they can use technologies to gather, share, and analyze a growing range of data available to them to generate new knowledge about their business processes and clients that informs their planning and gives them an edge over market competitors. In this course, you will be able to learn about effective development, use, and management of information systems in planning and governance with organizations for sharing and creating knowledge. You will also learn how to strategically use, develop, and apply information technologies, including new applications such as big data and cloud computing to add value and achieve organizational goals. So, let's begin.
Hi, welcome to MIS 810, Information Systems Management and Operations. The course is a 2-credit unit core course addressing operations, management, and decision-making for an effective information systems organization. Other areas to be addressed include principles and strategies of operations management, managing and coordinating information resources, managing information systems project portfolio, software, hardware, development, and maintenance. The course will provide detailed information and concepts on information systems management. So, let's begin.
Hi, welcome to the course MIS 811, Information Systems Requirements Engineering. This course discusses issues relating to analysis, specification, and documentation of requirements for IT artifacts. The course will cover the design of systems, services, and associated user experiences, an overview of the potentials of emerging technologies, in supporting modern businesses, as well as systems requirements gathering, specification, and documentation will be provided. The course will cover systems design and implementation alternatives, designing systems, services, and user experiences. At the end of this course, you will have learned about emerging technologies in information systems, software processes and process models, plan-based and agile development processes, verification and validation of software requirements, specification and documentation of software requirements, as well as UML models for documenting requirements. Let's dive in.
Hi, welcome to MIS 812, Systems Development and Deployment. It is a 2-credit unit course that addresses issues on deployment, development, and testing IT artifacts that meet specified requirements. This course will cover system development approaches, software architecture, object-oriented designs, and modeling. It will also look at implementing, testing, installing, and integrating new applications to work seamlessly. By the end of this course, you will have learned about information systems architecture, object-oriented designs and modeling, implementing and testing information systems, integrating and deploying information systems, and software management. I wish you good luck in this course.
We are living in the most exciting of times, where new and emerging information technologies are fast transforming the world of business to meet the growing needs of companies for digital business solutions and expanding expectations of clients. The PhD Management Information Systems program of the Africa Center of Excellence on Technology and Enhanced Learning focuses on research aimed at understanding the economic and organizational context and the impacts of information technologies. In this program, you will be introduced to web computing and mining, system security management, business intelligence, data mining for business intelligence, and data science research methodologies. By the end of the program, you will have gained mastery in mining big data for business intelligence and applications, applying modern software tools for web analytics and business performance management metrics, and conducting research and training in a specialized area of information systems. Join us as we explore information systems frontiers of knowledge at ACETEL. You'll be glad you did.
Hello, this is MIS 901, Web Computing and Mining, a 3-credit unit course. This course presents you with an array of data, structures, and algorithms that are best suited for developing internet-based information systems in business intelligence, search engines, and knowledge management systems. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the skills that will enable you apply suitable data, structures, and algorithms in the development of internet-based business information systems. I wish you the very best as you explore the frontiers of web computing and mining.
Hi everyone, welcome to MIS 902, System Security Management, a 3-credit unit core course. The areas to be covered in this course include strategies for assessing, planning, and implementing monitoring and mitigating security risk. Other aspects to be covered in this course include security policies and various aspects of information assurance. By the end of the course, you will be equipped with the skills that will enable you to plan, assess, implement and monitor system risk as well as ensure business continuity. I invite you to an exciting and novel field of system security management.
Do you know that businessmen are often saddled with challenges of choosing appropriate techniques to manage their data, human and non-human resources? The ability to choose the right techniques calls for intelligence. The intelligence in this regard calls for business intelligence, which will help an organization gather, analyze, understand, and act on information stored in data warehouses. This is the reason for the course MIS 903, Business Intelligence. By the end of this course, you will be able to integrate business strategy and technology for an organization. You also will be able to manage information systems, resources, for organizations. You should be able to demonstrate project management and collaboration skills, demonstrate research and knowledge sharing ability in key areas of business intelligence. Think business, think intelligence. A businessman is interested in the behavior of his or her product and services, customers, and the environment of operations. This calls for data generation, which leads to the concept of data mining. Data mining is the process of collecting and analyzing data from different sources to create relevant information that can help to increase revenue and decrease cost. Therefore, your study of MIS 904, Data Mining for Business Intelligence, will enhance your competencies to demonstrate skills in web mining IT architecture, design, and implementation. It will also help you develop research and knowledge sharing abilities in key areas of business intelligence. Explore the knowledge in this course.
Welcome to MIS 905, Design Science Research Methodologies, the world where you will learn and design science research to meet organizational needs. Demonstrate the skills of research in management information systems. Use the different elements in management information systems to solve business challenges. Develop the solutions that can be used in the field of management information system. Now, let's start.
The course MIS 906, Research Topics in Business Intelligence, will teach you how to determine self-service business intelligence, which indicates reporting on analysis, report and analyze across multiple systems, unlock data buried in systems. The knowledge gained in this process will enhance your ability to conduct research in emerging areas of business intelligence. I wish you an enjoyable study time.